Everyone. In today's lesson, I want to talk to you about significant figures. So, first and foremost, what are significant figures and what are they used for? Significant figures are mostly used when calculating measurements in science. And we typically use this so that we all have the same precision in our values, right? We talked about accuracy and precision. Now when we're doing calculations, we want to maintain the same precision and accuracy as our starting values, and that's where sig figs come in. Significant figures, also called sig figs, helps retain the precision of the measurements that we are using in the lab or elsewhere. So there are a couple of rules to go by. Rule number 1, all digits aside from 0 are significant. So here's an example. 7.886 has 4 significant figures, the 7, the 8, and the 6. This example here, 527.263, has 6 significant figures, the 5, the 2, the 7, the 2, the 6, and the 3. So, rule number 1 is pretty straightforward. All right, rule number 2, all zeros that are located between digits other than 0 are significant. So an example, 408 has 3 significant figures, the 4, the 0, and the 8. Another example, 25,074 has 5 significant figures, the 20, the 2, the 5, the 0, the 7, and the 4. All right, so all zeros that are between digits that are not 0 are significant. Rule number 3, zeros located at the beginning of a number are not considered to be significant. An example, 0.097 has only 2 significant figures, and those are the 9 and the 7. The 2 zeros before that are not considered to be significant. Here's another example. 0.0008 has 1 significant figure. That is the 8. All the zeros before that are not considered to be significant. Rule number 4. Trailing zeros are only significant if there is a decimal present. So what is a trailing zero? Let's take a look. So, example, 2,700 has only 2 significant figures, the 2 and the 7. The trailing zeros are the ones that are coming after the numbers, and they're not considered to be significant because there's no decimal. If we take that same number and add a decimal and add another 0 after, then suddenly we have 5 significant figures, the 2, the 7, and the 3 other zeros. And there you have it. Those are the rules of significant figures. 4 simple rules. They are a little confusing to begin with, but with practice, I'm sure you're going to get the hang of this. Hope this helps.